I am a lazy investor, and honestly, I am proud to be one because I don't think investing should make me feel busy every day. I don't want to wake up every morning and ask myself, should I buy? Should I sell? Should I switch strategy? Should I panic and sell because the market dropped? Should I buy because the market went up? These sounds very tiring and stressful because it is. And this is why I say I am a lazy investor. But when I say lazy, I don't mean not caring about my money. I don't mean I just buy and hope for the best. That is not lazy investing. That is just being irresponsible. To me, a lazy investor is someone who chooses not to overreact, someone who does not keep chasing every new idea, someone who does not turn investing into daily drama, because sometimes the more we do, the more mistakes we make. A lot of investing mistakes do not happen because we are lazy. They happen because we are too active. We see the market go up. We feel FOMO. We see the market go down. We feel fear. We see someone online talk about the next big stock. Then suddenly we feel like our own plan is not good enough. So we start changing things a little bit here, a little bit there. Buy this, sell that, switch strategy, follow another idea. And before we know it, we are no longer investing. We are just reacting. That is why I like being lazy, because being lazy stops me from doing unnecessary things. It reminds me that not every market movement needs my response. Not every piece of news needs my action. And not every opportunity is really an opportunity for me. Sometimes the smartest thing to do is nothing. And I know this sounds strange because doing nothing feels like you are not making progress. It feels like you are not being hardworking. It feels like other people are doing more than you. But in investing, doing more does not always mean do more actions. You can read news, check prices, plot graphs, but that does not mean your results will be better. Sometimes it just means you are giving your emotions more chances to disturb you. For me, I want investing to be boring. I want it to be simple enough that I can repeat it. I want it to be calm enough that I can sleep well. I want a system that does not require me to be excited every day because excitement is not always good in investing. Excitement can make us greedy. Fear can make us sell too early. Impatience can make us keep changing plan. And the market is very good at testing our human emotions. So my lazy investor style is quite simple. I don't want to check prices every hour. I don't want to chase hot stocks. I don't want to keep guessing what will happen next week. I don't want to feel like I need to be smarter than everyone else. I just want to buy things I understand, hold them for the long term, and collect dividends when they come. Reinvest when it makes sense, add money when I can, and let time do most of the work. Simple, boring, lazy, and honestly, that suits me because I already have enough things to do in life. I have work, I have family, I have a life to live. I don't want investing to take over my life. I want investing to support my life. And that is a very big difference. Some people enjoy trading, some people enjoy studying charts, some people enjoy watching the market every day. And that is okay. There is no one perfect way to invest. But for me, I know myself. If investing becomes too stressful, I may not stick with it. If investing becomes too complicated, I may overthink. If investing becomes too exciting, I may make emotional decisions. So I choose the lazy way, not because I don't care, but because I care enough to build a system I can actually follow. A lazy investor is not someone who ignores everything. A lazy investor still needs to know what he is buying, still needs to understand the risks, still needs to check if the plan makes sense. But what a lazy investor really needs to know is to leave the plan alone. And I think that is the hard part, not buying, not selling, but waiting. Waiting when nothing exciting is happening, waiting when the market is boring, waiting when other people seem to be making money faster than you, waiting when the market drops and your emotions start talking. That is not easy, but that is why I think lazy investing is not really laziness. Maybe it is patience, maybe it is discipline, maybe it is knowing when not to act. Because sometimes the best investing move is not a clever move, it is a quiet move. Do less, stay calm, keep going, let time work. So, yes, I am a lazy investor and I'm proud to be one. The best investing style is not the one that looks most impressive, it is the one you can stick with. If you are also trying to keep investing simple, comment lazy, because sometimes being a lazy investor may be the most sensible thing we can do slowly, simply, patiently, one step at a time.